Why does my body force me to yawn out of nowhere? No, it's not because I'm lazy. Science says yawning happens when my brain needs help. When I'm tired, bored, or sleepy, my brain temperature goes up. So my body says, open the mouth. Yawning pulls in cool air, stretches my jaw, and increases blood flow, basically cooling my brain like a fan. And here's the weird part. Yawning is contagious. When I see someone yawn, my brain copies it automatically. That's empathy at work. So next time you yawn, don't feel embarrassed. Your brain is just doing maintenance. Wait, did I just make you yawn?